What's up, guys? It's Alize, and today, day one of a long step process. Hopefully I have this done by the end of the month, but the goal is to have the car stripped down, the shell ready to be sold, and ready for me to get a new shell. I will say this: the next car will not be a T-top car for sure, depending on whether it's a manual body or not, like manual from the manufacturer. I will be doing a manual swap on it. Let me adjust this mic. I'll be doing a manual swap on it. I'll be doing a video on that. It won't be very detailed because I'll be learning that as I go through. And of course the car cover. I'll be going through it. I'll be doing a manual swap if it is an auto. Basically, we'll just be going through, stripping out the inside first. Contemplating on whether or not I want to speed lapse this.
Round one, fight!
Like how much rat shit was just in there. I don't know how well you guys can see it, but right there, that's rat poop. It's old rat poop. This is the ground for the what is that called? Defroster on the back. Just pop this off like so. You're gonna take a Torx. You're gonna get that off. Okay, for some reason it might work. But basically it extends the ground. So ground after here goes through the shock, goes down into the body, grounds out on the body. So far I've done a piece of wood like this. I mean, if it falls, the worst he's gonna do is smack the HE double hockey sticks out my head. But content, eh? But yeah, so far it's going pretty well. Pull this down. What else? Because I need to get over there. Lift the hatch down. Piece of wood in there. Strap. You're going to go replace the weather stripping. Now would be a time to go and replace the weather stripping since you took this panel piece off that goes right here. Especially if you have T-top cars like I do. Look at that. That is splitting on the inside. pretty. Every time I look at this, it gives me another reason on why I'll be glad to have a hardtop car. I do not like T-tops. I never wanted a T-top in the first place. Well guys, look what I found. He had a visitor. That is a dead mouse. That is a really dead mouse. Like super dead. Took out the rest of this. Like, the rest of it looks so nice. Like, look at this metal. This is a 30-year-old car. Look at this metal. Looks amazing. Don't mind my ashy hands. Look at this metal. Like, this is solid, bro. But like in certain areas, it's garbage, and there's a lot of rat poo in here. All right, so basically run into a problem where these threads are fine on here. Which thought I was gonna say they're bad. Well, on here they're bad. Oh, I don't know how well you can see that because look at this. And it's not like I can like look at this and try to fix it or go through it as I'm pushing, holding up the thing. I called Alex. I'm waiting on Alex to get here so he can lift this up with his overly strong gas since the gym is closed and he's been begging to work out. Park in front of the. Never mind. Park right there. Right here. Try to run this bolt into this hole right here. Tell me you can get it in with your hands. Where? Alright, you see that top hole right there where that ground is?
Right here?
Yeah, that one. Mama. Yeah. She's got that working. Is it going cock-sided?
Yeah. You clapped it?
No, I didn't do that. When I pulled it off, they had Loctite on it. I was like, that's kind of decent. I mean, at least it put Loctite on it. Then I'm looking, I'm like, okay, the threads on the screw isn't bad. And then I look inside and like threads 1 and 2, or like 1.5 is like cocked.